Welcome to the Kimberley. When they say Australia is an ancient land, you really only start to understand what they mean when you travel up this way. The landscape is vast, rugged, and filled with mountainous escarpments and endless plains. All right, welcome to our chariot. It's time to get on, fly over the bungle bungles, and get the lay of the land. So over the next few days, we're taking you on a journey to the Kimberley. It's going to be a really special event. We're going to be flying in helicopters, fishing in croc-infested waters. Sorry buddy, but you are going to be salt crusted and delicious. Doing some cooking demos for crowds at the Ord Valley Muster. So this is the Ord Valley Muster, my favourite event of the year. So come along for the ride. Probably one of the most gorgeous sunsets I've seen. One of the most rugged, beautiful places on earth. It was pretty special. It was very special.